Kip's hair was a mess. Stuff was everywhere. There were acorns all over the place, and there was no room for Kip,
You don't need a nest.
said Bert.
You need to clean this mess. You're right, Bert.
Said Kip.
I'm going to clean it up. No,
Said Bert.
we are going to clean it up. Let's start with these icons.
Said Bert.
Pick out the one you want to keep. And we'll throw out the rest.
They sort the acorns into the nest pile. Then they scraped the floor and they washed the dishes. Soon, Kip's hair was nice and clean,
Well, Kip,
said Bert.
now you have plenty of room.
Kip looked around. He rubbed his chin,
Thank you, Bert.
said Kip.
Now I have room for more icons.